Earlier today, North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper held a press conference about the recovery and rescue operations, specifically in the Asheville area. Now, officials are calling the damage there, quote, biblical. 41 people were rescued from one location in Buncombe County. This evening, the county sheriff confirms 30 people have died there in the storm. Governor Cooper expects the death toll to continue to rise.
The confirmation process on deaths is long and complicated. You got to make sure you notify family members. I express my deepest sympathy to people who have lost family members and friends to this storm, but we'll work on getting that data reported to the public as quickly as we can.
Teams are having to use social media and 911 calls in order to find the people that are stranded. Emergency officials are urging people not to venture into the storm-affected areas because you could be endangering yourself and others.